Okay, hi everyone. As you can see, I've been breaking out massively, which is the reason why I haven't been filming. So I did say a couple of weeks ago that I thought it would be funny if I saw or put my beauty blenders in a real washing machine. Because you guys know, or if you guys don't know, there's been this little washing machine, like a little small toy one that has been going around, and I haven't bought it. I'm not gonna buy it because I don't know. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, you know what? What if I see if my washing machine washes my beauty blenders, then I don't have to spend money, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go outside and I'm gonna throw my dirty ass beauty blenders into the washing machine, and we're gonna see what happens, you know what I'm saying? I have my dial soap, so let's go. All right, you guys, so here is my washing machine, and here is my dirty ass beauty blenders or beauty sponges. So someone had told me that I should put them in a bag so they don't get ruined, but I don't have a bag, so we're just gonna go ahead and throw them in like that. Who cares, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is, you know what I'm saying? So I am gonna shut this because, oh wait, I have to put the soap. So I'm using dial soap. Oops. I always use dial soap. I technically always use the bar soap. Bar soap always cleans your beauty blenders or beauty sponges way better than when you use the liquid. I don't really like using liquid, but I obviously can't stick a whole damn bar of soap into this. So I'm gonna put it in here. Let me open this real quick. Hold on. Pause, por favor. And I'm just gonna dump this in here. I think I'm gonna dump the whole thing because it's kind of watered down. So I'm just gonna dump the whole damn thing in here, and we're gonna see what happens. I am so excited, but I'm low-key kind of scared because what if it ruins my beauty sponges? I'm gonna be real sad. And that's the one that I use all the time, so you know what I'm saying. Oh my god. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna shut this right now. This washing machine is kind of dirty, but I mean, it's a washing machine, it's outside. So I'm gonna put power, and then I think I'm gonna put light because, oh my god, 44 minutes? Oh my god, let's hope my mom doesn't wake up right now because she's gonna be like, what the fuck are you doing? Okay, okay, all right, and start. I'm so nervous. All right, so there it goes. There it goes. Okay, I'm gonna go outside because I think it's done. It's already been 40 minutes or something. So let me go outside. Yeah, I think it's already done. It's fucking hot in California right now. Oh my gosh. I don't know who allowed you to be this hot. Okay, oh shit. Okay, wait. How do I turn this camera around? Hold on, pop. Okay, so I'm scared. Bro, they're still dirty. Even after all that time. Yeah, they're hella dirty. You know what? This was the most, oh my god, really? Bitch! Useless. Useless, you guys. Unless I didn't put more soap. Okay, you know what? Should I try it with laundry? Okay, wait. Okay, so my dad got my mom another washing machine because this one broke, but apparently when he ended up getting that one, this one magically started working. So I wonder if I throw it in this one and I add more soap, would it work? Should we do it? You know what? I'm gonna fucking do it. Whatever. I have literally nothing to do today, so why not? But now I have to find out what type of soap I should put in here. Should I use laundry detergent? Should I? You know what? I'm so gonna fucking do it. Okay, but this time I think I'm gonna put way more. So here's the laundry detergent. It's supposed to be stain fighter. So you know what? We're gonna see about that, ladies. We're gonna see about that. Hold on, pause, because I only have 2 hands, you know. Okay, so I'm gonna dump this in. Wait, should I dump a lot? I'm gonna dump in a lot, a whole ass cup. Oh my god, my mom's gonna be so fucking mad at me. Let's not tell her about this though. She's gonna be like, what are you doing? All these shenanigans. Okay, wait. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this we're doing a small load. Okay, I'm gonna dump this in. I'm gonna dump it in. Guys, that's a lot of soap. Okay. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna let this fill up, and then we'll be right back. Please let this work with me. You know what? I feel very much like a failure right now. Okay, so you know what? It makes sense why it wouldn't like necessarily clean your beauty blenders in that washing machine, because if you really think about it, the only thing that it's like doing is it just fucking like, you know, like tossing your beauty blenders round and round. It's not squeezing like the product out of your beauty blender. So this might not even work, but you know what? I don't mind, like, you know, experimenting with things because I have nothing to do. You guys, so the washer machine stopped. I have absolutely no hope at this point. Okay, so let's see. Oh, ma'am. Okay, so this one, oh my god. Oh, dear God, please forgive me for wasting all your water. Like, I want to go to heaven. Don't do this at home. This one. And then this one. So, no, they did not get clean. Wash your fucking beauty blenders in the sink. God damn it. This is also wasteful. I'm so sorry. Please, like, don't drag me in the comments. Like, this was for research purposes, okay? So, yeah, it didn't work out. I mean, it's not like they're extremely filthy like they were in the beginning. But still, there's still stains. I get these all off when I hand wash them in the sink. So yeah, man. Okay, so yeah, that was a flop. I have seen some people's videos. Like, I did see I forgot who it was, but someone washed it in the little toy fucking looking one or whatever, and it didn't fully wash it. So I just think that, like, if anything, it's more of like a gimmicky thing. People are now using it to mix their drinks. Like, what the fuck? That shit is so funny. But honestly, I feel like just wash your beauty blenders in the sink. Also, let's not forget that this comes from like boredom, you know what I'm saying? But like, I don't got anything to do again. Also, not to mention the fact that this is so fucking wasteful, especially when you do it in the washing machine, like a real washing machine. It's just like all that water is just being wasted. So please, like, don't drag me in the comment section. Like, again, this was for research purposes, and yeah, you guys, just be nice to me, you know, because you guys already saw like me washing it in a real washing machine and it didn't like do anything. I mean, it didn't do much. So, and I seen it already in the little toy and it didn't do much either. So just fucking wash your beauty blenders, okay? Don't be lazy, all right? So anyways, that's pretty much the end of this video. Oh my god, this is so ridiculous. Yeah, you guys, I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.